Welcome back in the YouTube series of lectures on chemistry of carbonyl compounds. In this video lecture, YouTube lecture, we are going to see Cannizzaro reaction, which is an important reaction in carbonyl compounds. So, the reaction is named after Stanislao Cannizzaro. He was an Italian chemist. He is famous for the Cannizzaro reaction, which we are to deal with. In 1853, he succeeded in obtaining benzyl alcohol and potassium benzoate from benzaldehyde. So, this is the historical review. What is the definition regarding this reaction? See carefully. Base catalyzed self redox reaction of an aldehyde lacking alpha hydrogen atom to form corresponding alcohol and salt of carboxylic acid is called as Cannizzaro reaction. I will repeat the thing again. It is base catalyzed reaction. It is self redox reaction. It is base catalyzed self redox reaction of an aldehyde, and the aldehyde is without alpha hydrogen. Okay. So, see the features. It is base catalyzed reaction, it is self redox reaction, it is reaction of an aldehyde lacking alpha hydrogen. And what are the products? The products are alcohol and acid, and the alcohol and acid formed is related to that particular aldehyde. Okay. The acid is converted into its salt because of the presence of the base. So, this is the definition which you have to remember. See the general reactions. The reaction is also called as disproportionation. Self redox reaction is also called as disproportionation reaction. So, in this particular case, see the first example, 2 molecules of benzaldehyde. Okay. For self redox process or disproportionation process, you will need 2 molecules. So, 2 molecules of benzaldehyde. This aldehyde is without alpha hydrogen atom. Okay. So, it undergoes reduction and it undergoes oxidation. The oxidation leads to the formation of COOH. Aldehyde is converted into acid, CHO is converted into COOH, and as the medium is basic in nature, the acid is converted into sodium salt. Okay. The second molecule undergoes reduction and CHO is converted into CH2OH. So, in other words, this is the aldehyde, benzaldehyde. 2 molecules of benzaldehyde undergo disproportionation or self redox reaction, giving benzoic acid in the form of sodium benzoate and benzyl alcohol. Let us consider second example. In this second case, it is formaldehyde. It is again without alpha hydrogen. Formaldehyde gets converted into formic acid, and in basic medium, because of basic medium, it gets converted to sodium formate. And the second molecule is alcohol of the same, that is alcohol containing single carbon CH3OH, it is methanol. So, you remember the definition and you remember these two examples. Then regarding the mechanism, the detailed stepwise description of a reaction in going from reactants to products is called as reaction mechanism. The same is applicable here. We catalyze the reaction with base, so you have OH minus. Okay. In the first step, this base, that is nucleophilic addition of OH minus to aldehyde takes place, because aldehyde shows electromeric effect, the bond is polarized. We have seen in earlier several reactions. The bond is polarized, oxygen bears partial negative charge, carbon bears partial positive charge. As a result, this OH minus attacks on the electropositive carbon, and it is nucleophilic addition of OH to aldehyde giving an anion. Oxygen carries negative charge, so it is not carbanion, it is anion. So, first step is nucleophilic addition of OH to aldehyde. Then in the second step, there is hydride transfer. Hydride transfer means hydrogen migrates along with its electron pair. So, the hydride transfer takes place. At the same time, this electron pair on oxygen is shifted in between carbon and oxygen. So, there is a double bond formation, and hydride transfer to the carbonyl carbon gives again another anion. So, this hydride transfer means hydrogen along with its electron pair is shifted to the second carbonyl, second molecule of the aldehyde. Okay. And you get an acid and you get this alkoxide ion. Okay. This is the second step. In the third step, it is just acid base reaction. So, acid which is formed in the earlier reaction gets converted into sodium salt and this ion is converted into alcohol. So, third step is acid base reaction. When the condensation the reaction takes place between two different aldehydes, it is called as crossed Cannizzaro reaction. It is benzaldehyde and formaldehyde. In such cases, whenever there is formaldehyde as one of the compounds, it is always converted into sodium formate. So, this thing is to be remembered. Okay. See once again, base catalyzed self redox reaction of an aldehyde lacking alpha hydrogen to form corresponding alcohol and salt of carboxylic acid is called as Cannizzaro reaction. Benzaldehyde in such way undergoes disproportionation giving sodium benzoate and benzyl alcohol. At the same time, formaldehyde undergo Cannizzaro reaction giving sodium formate and methanol. The mechanism takes place in 3 steps: nucleophilic addition, that is base OH minus adds to the first carbonyl compound giving an anion. In the second step, there is hydride transfer. In the third step, it is acid base reaction giving the final product, that is sodium salt of acid and alcohol. So, when it is taking place between two different aldehydes, it is crossed Cannizzaro reaction. In crossed Cannizzaro reaction, when there is formaldehyde as one of the compounds, then it is always converted into sodium formate and being the other converted into alcohol. So, you go through these steps, it is very simple reaction and you can prepare for the examination. Thank you.